For the very first time in League One history, it's the Players' Shield winners taking on the tournament champions. Here we go. Certainly in the air, a very powerful team. 13 goals last season with headers, the most of any team in the league. Here it comes again. Middle of the box, knotted away once again by Kilwine. Settled, fired in, and deflected out front. That man again, Nathan Aune, scored a set-piece goal in the first ever game on this field to break some hearts, and here he goes. Just put it in the danger area, and you never know what might happen. Nathan Aune just getting in the way, whether he got the final touch or whether he just put the last player off balance. Excellent shot out front. Been a real Achilles heel for Tormenta this year. Belmar. Lovely ball. Hornsby settles on his left. Laces it across. And an easy one-touch finish for Justin Sukow. His first goal as a Richmond player. As easy as they will come. Credit to Hornsby, who laced a perfect ball through the back line. One of the league's golden talents, laced with a golden boot, curls it in and finds the back of the net. The golden man scores his first of 2023, and the defending regular season champions are putting Tormenta to rout. Sawatsky said that his goalless streak can't last forever. He's going to find the back of the net eventually, and he does so. A well-serviced in ball. A game-winning assist in the U.S. Open Cup. Rio Grande Valley. Akale on his left, just misses wide. The space just opened up for him as Barnathan was... Ball through the lines for Akale. Lovely layoff pass. Fonseca in there. That man is again. Adjei firing this one over. An immovable object between the pipes. Saw this one the whole way and gets the palms to it. That percentage of your games to have held the opposition to no goals. Akale. Around the corner, lovely ball returned in, and the recovery tackle, it doesn't always have to be Fitzgerald. Turned over to Adjei on his right, curls one! An unstoppable effort from Adjei. A strike of pure perfection. Took this game on his shoulders, got the ball himself. Pushed off the ball, and that will do it. The Players' Shield winners in the very first meeting between the regular season and tournament champions.